You back out again, Mark. What? Back out again. See if we can't go get on some more fish today. We stocked up on a few more essentials. About to launch the Raider. Try to get on some. Let's go. Oh shit. First bass of the day. Ooh. Just got out here. Come here, guy. Oh, there we go. Nice little fat head. Nice little fat head largie. Just got out here. Yes, sir. Back you go. Let's go. Number 2. Going into the weeds. Get out of them weeds. Get out of them weeds. Damn it. Damn, he went down into them weeds, bro. Oh, he's out. Jumping. Oh, oh. Let's go. Number 2.
Damn.
Number 2 today. Let's go. Back you go. There we go.
You got number 3? You got your shit off?
Yep. 3. You gonna jump? You gonna jump? Go back down.
He's going down. Oh, he's heading right there.
There we go. Number 3.
Dang, it's so orange.
Little guy.
It's like in there.
A fire crawl.
How dark it is?
You want one?
Yeah, let me switch it up. Let me catch this a couple more times, Ron. I'll switch
I'll
it
get you a fire crawl one.
Might be that
There we go, another one.
A little dark.
Just a little guy. Just had something break me off beforehand, so.
Wasn't that? It was, you broke off. Shit looks like a straight wounded bayfish. When you fucking swim it how I do it, looks like half turns.
Shit. Didn't get that one on cam, but got the little pike and the bluegill.
That fucked up. I called pike. I said monster pike is a little one. Called pike. That's what I don't understand. When I hooked that fish yesterday with those, how the fuck didn't it get hooked with those fucking hooks, dude? How did it get hooked, dude?
Oh man, this thing's so hard to grip. Well, guys, there's a little pike.
Literally. Oh, there's a fish right here behind us.
Let's go. On the bluegill. Swim bait. I ate it probably like fucking 10 feet off the boat. That's crazy. Another bass on on the boat. Another bass on the boat. Just a little guy. I'll boat flip ya. Just a little guy. And then I'll whip ya. Look at that Chuck Cherry small bass. Yes sir. No. Slow guy, but you know. Number 4. Out the door. Another one on the boat. Just pulled up to a different location on the water and casted it out there, and she smoked it. Oh, decent. Shit ton of weeds. Hey. Little stud.
How they eat good in this place, you know.
Hell yeah, a little stud. Fat belly. I'm gonna get a picture with this one real quick on my phone. Alright, back you go. Number 5. Change this fucking worm up.
Sounds like a big one. Definitely sounds like a big one, son. Oh yeah.
Yo, did you see that thing?
Motherfuckers, that is nice.
Yo, did you see that, Mark?
Fat one. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
There.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro. 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 Bro, 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 bro. Oh my god. That is a freaking giant. Let's go. Look at that thing. Look at that bass. Mark. Look at that bass, Mark. Yo. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
Big bitch.
Yo, check that out. What? Oh my god. Woo, buddy. Woo, buddy. Let's go. Yes, sir. Hooked up on a bigot. Woo, buddy. A mouth on her. Let's go. Freaking giant. Look at this. Yee. Oh my god, Mark. Oh, nice one. That's a good one. You're wrestling. Wrestling him. Jesus.
Literally.
Just beasting him in. Oh, he's a chunker, bro. That's a good one. Oh, hell yeah. Chop my lines under there. Okay. Okay. Mark with his first one of the day.
Finally, his eye looks dope, dude. It's like, look at his eye.
Oh, what the hell? His eyes the
It's
color
like
of his side. That's
He's like
wild.
blinded. He's like turning, his eyes turning green and white and shit. Right?
He came off. Oh my god, bro. Oh, we had to stop off under some trees. Started raining pretty good. We're gonna get back out there in a couple minutes. Yeah. Go Mark with a second bass. Decent one. The hooks it, huh?
Yeah.
There we go.
Little guy.
Yeah.
Fucker turned in the boat, he's so big.
That's a good one. Alright.
Swallowed it too.
Check that. There's another one on the day. Yeah, it's down there. Oh, buddy.
No, it's the drain. Come on, motherfuckers. Woo! Little fucker. Oh, then look at the other. Oh, that was. I thought that was the other one. I'm like, oh, the other one's out. Go. Gulped it. Literally gulped it.